Let me show you how to stop apps from automatically launching or from automatically opening on startup on your MacBook Neo. So every time you switch on your MacBook, some apps will automatically start running every single time. Now to stop this, you want to go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Under System Settings, you should see the search bar at the top there. So you want to simply type in login. Now, when you type login, you will see the option login items and extensions. So you want to click on that. And on this page, you will see all the applications in this list that will automatically start when you log into your MacBook Neo. So these are the ones that automatically start running when you switch on your computer. So to remove, simply select a specific application and then click on the minus sign, and that app will be removed from the list. And you can go doing that for all the apps you don't want automatically starting when you log into your MacBook Neo. Once you're done, you can just close that and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck.